So the second angle theorem we're going to look at is about angles that all are at a point. Now if I draw a picture of this, right, how much do all the angles around that point add up to? Esther? 360. Because it's a full, a revolution, a rotation, a full turn, whatever you want to call it. It is right around and back to the start again. There's no short, like there's not a supplementary for this one. From the other word from supplementary is complementary. We'll write those two words down today so that we've got that. Turn it off. Now, put them away quickly. So the short version of writing this is angles at, and we're going to write up, at a point, add to 360. We're allowed to shorten it to that. We must have the geometric description, and we have to have what the conclusion of that geometric description is. So we must have this. We can't just say angles at a point. A lot of the books do that. You won't get credit for that as this part. All right? So that's considered a step up. So if we have a look at this one and I put 2 in, let's say I make that one 140 degrees and this one 135 degrees, and I call this one T. All right? That circle bit at the middle tells you how far around they go. What's they working to work this out going to look like? What am I going to write for working? Ollie?
360 minus 140 minus 135.
Okay. What am I finding?
T.
Right, so T equals this. All right? So then I do it in my head, or I can use a calculator in this particular unit. So 220, 120, oh dear, I don't know, 275, 85, I think. 85 degrees. And we always write the reason. So we can have this looking really like a wonky line, like this one. All right, so only got the two. It's only got the two angles here. A reflex one, the one around the outside. So if we were finding P, we would just do 360 degrees minus 225 degrees equals 135 degrees for P. And the reason. If we're stepping it up to be a little bit harder, we might have that algebra in them. So we might have something that looks like this. All right, so we actually got two unknowns here, and we can make it into an algebraic sentence. What does this one measure? Go, Taylor. Come on, be brave. Ollie?
X.
What does this measure, this one here? It's a right angle. How much is a right angle? 90 degrees, all right? So that little sign there, that little box is a giveaway. That's 90 degrees, all right? So we've got 360 minus 90 is equal to these two added together, 3x and 10x. How many x's is that? Taylor? 13 x's equals How much is 360 minus 90?
250.
200 and nearly. Yep, 270. So each x is going to equal 270 divided by 13. Really horrible number, 20.08 or something like that off our calculator. But we can just leave it as this. But actually, no, it's better to actually write it as an approximation. So 2013s would be 260, and 10 left over means about a 0.7 or a 0.8. So 20.7 degrees. I'm going to estimate it to. All right, that's not a perfect answer. This is a perfect answer. That is not a perfect answer. Okay, and our reason. So we need to be, I am so naughty in putting these in afterwards because you cannot just have that much. You won't get it right. Right, now we've got them all right. Make sure that's copied down and